Hello everybody, today is Monday, July 15th, and I am making a recap of 2 days of trading from last week. So, I did very bad. I've been in a pattern of doing very bad. I was in a pattern of doing quite well, and then I went on vacation, and a lot of old bad habits came back, and I wasn't participating with the big man. I was trading erratically. I was using erratic size that is too large, that even if you're a great trader, 3 bad trades could have your account. So I was trading for stimulation. I was not trading to make money. And I know what I have to do, but I simply was still not doing what I need to do. So I'm gonna release another video as I release this one titled "Will this be my turning point in trading?" And I'm gonna talk about some new guidelines. I'm gonna talk about some things I've identified inside myself and been introspective about that I hope will lead to me being successful, as I'm gonna risk less money per trade. I have a plan to size up. I'm going to only look for one setup. I'm not going to look for a bunch of shit. I'm just going to look for one that I can execute consistently. And yeah, I'm the problem, and I need to review some game tape as well. Like I've been releasing videos for recording all my trading for a while now, so I need to actually go back and rewatch it, watch the game tape and learn. So yeah, check out that other video I released today. I'm probably going to release another one like that in a couple of weeks after I've reviewed all my game tape. But yeah, let's dive into the trades I made last week. Let's look at them now and do some analysis, and I can talk a little bit more about what I did wrong and what I need to do right. Thank you for watching, and let's dive into the analysis. So this is the first day of trading last week. 2 failed shorts. Very dumb to take that first short going into a strong close bar, but my rationale for taking this was that it looked like the bear big man was in control. Of course, that's obviously a pullback, a good time to get long looking at the hourly chart in hindsight, but yeah, it was dumb of me to do that. The bulls are clearly in control looking at the daily, looking at everything, but my rationale for going short there was, hey, it's a pullback. They've shown off the very first 5-minute candle bar that they want to be bearish. But no, it's a pullback. We're in an uptrend. We should only be looking for uptrends. It's time to get long. It was silly of me, and well, I shouldn't have got short there. And I have 8 contracts, which is far too many contracts. I should be trading with 2 contracts. So that's one thing I'm going to change. I'm going to use less risk. I'm going to just make 2 contracts my standard size, and if there's a winner that I can add to that, it's like, holy shit, like this is looking way better than I thought, I should be in higher size, I'm going to add to that, but only if it is a winner. I'm not just going to scale in like crazy for no damn reason. I care too much about stimulation. I am a gambler. I talk about that in my, where are they? So they had a piece of paper around here with my new guidelines on it, but I don't whatever. That's my next video that I'm going to release today. It's really frustrating, you know, to trading's so hard. I mean, I'm a perfect example of why 95% people fail, because of all the stupid shit I do that's been captured on video. I'm trying to do something very unique with my channel, and that is, a lot of people, when they start making trading YouTube channels, they you know, they already are successful. They're already a good trader, and it makes sense. Like, you don't really want to watch someone who's not successful. You want to watch someone who knows what they're doing. And I think what's unique about me is I'm not there yet. Obviously, I'm still struggling a lot as a trader, and I'm not going to give up. I'm going to stick with this. So I want to show, you know, the struggle side on YouTube too. And, you know, one day maybe I can look back and point and say, this is what changed. And I can actually point to the videos and the F-ups that I make, showing what I've changed and how bad I actually used to be. All right, so this is another day of trading. I don't know if this is NQ or ES. It's NQ. I can see the numbers now. And then this is ES. So tried going long at a time that I only should have been going short. Yeah, it's silly. So got stopped out there. I think I add some more, but hey, at least I only have 2 contracts right now, right? I guess I just got stopped out of a bunch. Oh, and I'm increasing size again. I'm doing things very wrong. And in both of these trades, this is the big theme of my F-ups, is I was trying to guess the top and bottom. The market is built to show you 100 opportunities. The market will, if you're not looking for something, if you don't have criteria to say, no, I'm not going to take this, you're going to see so many opportunities, like apophenia. You know, your brain and ego will play tricks on you. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to guess the top and the bottom. And, you know, you'll lose so much over time trying to do that. It's one thing to try and get in on the right side of the V. I'll give this, I guess, that one, like, this was okay, somewhat, I guess, because there are wicks. It does kind of look like there's some interest to go long. We are at the bottom of yesterday's range, but NASDAQ has already broken well below that. It's just we should expect the bears to stay in control here. It's not time for the range to turn around yet, and we want to see, you know, a solid doji bar close. This bar is still forming, and I think it's going to go lower. If it would have closed there and been like this, then yeah, that's a time we can actually get long. And I'm talking about the 1 hour chart here, by the way. On the 1 hour chart, that bar was still forming. If it closes like this, then yeah, that's a good time to go long. Put the stop loss underneath, because it or just halfway down, like it looks like better to actually go long there. But I was trying to guess the tops and bottoms. It's not working. I'm out of video content for this video, so I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading, and I hope I can turn things around soon. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.